for more questions from the media.
Coaching, congratulations on renewing your first team sa Commissioner's Cup. Kumusta si Calvin din now with the team responded to that nangyari na kay Calvin?
Ang sinabi lang sa akin right now is okay, and I think ma-discharge na siya. Ano lang, parang whiplash lang. So medyo nag-tight. So it's okay right now, and hopefully by our next game sa Sunday, laro si Calvin. It's also a big factor for us. And also, we use that parang maging yung energy namin lalong tumaas. Sabi ko lang sa kanila, let's play for Calvin. And I think nag-respond naman yung